topic is emotions. So what is this? You can see? Yes, this is a happy. When you become a happy, yes, someone get giving. जब आपको कोई चॉकलेट देता है तो आप लोग क्या करते हो? Are you happy? Yes. जब आपको कोई चॉकलेट देगा तो आप खुश हो जाते हो ना? Yes. Yes. So this is a happy. Yes. And what is this? This is a sleepy. हम जब आप लोग खेलते हो तो क्या होता है? जब आप लोग खेलते हो when you become tired, थक जाते हो. So आप लोग क्या हो जाते हो? Sleepy हो जाते हो. क्या हो जाते हो? Sleepy. And how you can do it? Yeah, I'm too sleepy. Yes. So this is a happy and this is a sleepy. Yes.
Then mama tells you, no, don't go out. No need to play. Sit down. How do you feel? Sad. You feel like crying? Feel like crying. Now mama scold you, na? See, this is a sad feel. When mama scolds you, she tells you, no, don't go out to play. You be sad. See, this is a sad feel. See, baby is also crying. Look. When you see a cockroach or a lizard on the wall, how do you all feel? Scared. No? You run away na? From kitchen to the hall to the bedroom, no? See, this way you all also get scared, no? Oh, I'm getting scared. I don't want to get in that scene. No? This is a sad face.
Scared.
When somebody says, that's my thing, don't touch it. It's mine. This is mine. You go. That is yours. When your friends is in school. This is my pencil. This is my eraser. You get angry. Like I share. He's not sharing with me. You get angry? You get angry?
Yes.
You make your faces like this.
Yes.
You get angry? See, this is an angry face. When you want to wear a pretty dress or you want to cycle and daddy says, no, not now. I'll buy it for you later. You get upset. Do you feel sad? You get upset. You make face like this. I wanted that. Daddy didn't bought for me. You feel upset? Yes. This is an upset face. This is smiling face. This is a happy face. When mama gives you a chocolate. When you play, you get tired. You come and sleep. This is a sleepy face. When you are sad, this is your sad face. When you get scared, this is your scared face. When you get angry, this is your angry face. And this is when you get upset, this is your upset face. Now we will tell you a song. You want to listen a song? Yes. Let Ham start the song for you.
If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile.
If you're happy and you know and you really want to show.
If you're happy and you know it, give a smile.
If you're sad and you know it's okay to cry.
If you're sad and you know it's okay to cry. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're sad and you know it's okay to cry.
If you're angry and you know, do not shout.
If you're angry and you know